Hello everyone, Hong here, and once again, welcome back to Nitro. In today's video, we're working together with our key partner BILSTEIN to get the B6 shock absorbers installed onto this BMW F10 5 Series. We're also going to chat with the car owner and ask her why she chose BILSTEIN over other shock absorbers. Stay tuned. One of the most important components for our car's safety, performance and handling is our suspension system, and checking that it's in good working condition by proficient technicians and mechanics takes only 10 minutes. To ensure optimum safety, have your shock absorbers checked regularly. In fact, it is a good idea to have them looked at every time you send your car in for maintenance. As a general rule of thumb, stock original shock absorbers will last between 60 to 75,000 kilometers, depending on road conditions and driving styles. And since shock absorbers are indeed wear and tear products, just like your tires, brake pads and brake rotors, replacing them for something better is always a good idea and more cost efficient in the long term. Poorly maintained and serviced shock absorbers, or when used beyond its intended lifespan, may cause dangerous driving incidents that can be easily avoided. Here in Singapore, with the ever-rising cost of COE, owning and properly maintaining a car is a great responsibility. With its improved longevity, durability, performance capabilities, as well as value, it is no wonder why so many road users here opt for BILSTEIN suspension systems. So the next time you send your car in for servicing, maintenance work or upgrading, be sure to have your shock absorbers checked and also to ask your mechanic for BILSTEIN applicability.
Hello everybody, my name is Mei Lin and I'm the proud owner of the car that you see behind me. I use this car really for two main reasons. One is to ferry my three lovely boys around, and secondly is in my duty as a sales and marketing personnel. So I have been driving this car for the last 8 years, and of late I noticed that there's a lot of vibration and sound. And the sound actually becomes more pronounced when I go over humps. And because I need to ferry my kids around, safety on the road is a primary concern to me. So as such, I think the time has come for me to consider upgrading my suspension. I actually asked around, and my workshop actually highly recommend BILSTEIN. Right, but in order to play safe, I actually went to my tire shop, my reliable tire shop owner, and he also endorsed BILSTEIN. So I think, you can't go wrong with two experts telling me to go for BILSTEIN, and therefore BILSTEIN.
Now that the B6 shock absorbers have been installed for a week, how do you feel?
To be very honest, I think the drive has been really quite awesome. As I said, I use the car to ferry my kids around as well as for making trips for work. And ever since the installation, I feel that the car is a lot more stable on the road, and the grip of the car on the road is also more solid. So overall, I would say that the experience has been really enjoyable, and that I truly believe that the choice of BILSTEIN was the right choice for me. And in future, should I need to change my suspension again, without a doubt, I'll go for BILSTEIN.